Okay guys, I'm done sewing it. As I said, here it's straight. So now I'll be cutting this one, the excess part of the cloth. So it's already done, guys. Okay, so it looks like this at the back. This is the back and this is the front. So now I'll be sewing it here at the bottom. I'll be sewing it like this all the way there. I love this needle. It's very sharp. Sometimes there's a needle that is so hard to sew, you know. This one is very sharp. I love this one. So guys, remember I'm sewing now at the bottom here. So I'll be sewing it until there, okay? So I'm done with this one here. This is the bottom part. So now guys, I'll be turn it over like this. It looks like this. See? So now guys, it's already like this, but it isn't done yet. So I'll show you. So this corner here, I'll be doing it like this. I'll pop it and I'll pop like this. I mean this one, and sew it here, okay? So this corner guys become like this, and I'll already sew it here. So I'll be doing this also the same. It should be the same size as this one guys. So this is already the corner of the bag here. It's already done sewing here. See? And also this one, same size with this. Now I'm gonna turn it over how it would be look like. So guys, it will look like this. This is the corner one here, and also this corner here. So this is the bag. Now I'm gonna make a handle of this bag. So I'm gonna use this waistline here of the, I'm gonna cut this one. So guys, I'm done with this. So I'm gonna use this for a bag handle. I'll be cutting it here at the center. So guys, I cut it into equal length for the bag handle. So I will show you now how to fix it, how to put it. So this is how I'll put this bag handle. It's like this. So I'll be sewing it here and this one. So it already has a button, but I will not remove this button. Just leave it like this. So guys, I will continue sewing. So guys, I already put all of the bag handle. So here it is. But this is not yet fully done. I will show you guys the part 3 of this one when it's fully done, because I still have to do inside or make it a lining inside. But this is for now, guys. I will just show you how I made the denim bag from a skirt short denim. So thank you so much guys for watching my video. I hope you like it. For now, because I'm gonna still wanna show you the part 3 of this one. So thank you so much guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share my video. If you have a comment, please do comment down below. So thanks guys. God bless to all of you. Bye for now. See you on the part 3 of this bag. Thank you.